What's key today in manufacturing? It's all about responding quickly to individual customer needs and market changes, while still controlling costs and quality. The focus has shifted from selling products to delivering solutions, and the power of mobile UX can help you get there. Take a look at the newly available SAP Shop Floor Manager app. With the consistent user experience of SAP Fiori and its native design capabilities, it allows production supervisors to be on top of ongoing orders and issues. With just a click, they can get a complete overview of delays, quality issues, and missing components. The app helps them be proactive on the go by creating quality notifications, maintenance requests, and by updating shift notes using photos and documents. Work is made easier and faster by being able to switch seamlessly between desktop, tablet, and mobile as they move around the floor to complete their daily work. The SAP Shop Floor Manager app is based on the mobile development kit and can be customized to your needs. Start transforming the way you work. Try it now.